We look at what we're doing as works of art. Art on two wheels is how we classify what we're building. And so when people come to Mantini Motors, they're usually looking to do something that you haven't seen before. Something that's genuinely unique, that represents them, and really is a reflection of who they are as a person. So when somebody has an idea for a bike that they want us to build for them, we jump on a creative call.
This is the call to go over every little detail to make sure we build exactly what you're looking for.
Definitely.
From there, we choose what colors do they want to go with, what engine do they want to put in this. And we basically go through all the components of the bike to ensure that it's exactly what they want. And we actually do this in real time in a 3D space so that they can see it before we build the bike, which is really cool because then from there we create a render. And so they can look at it and make sure, okay, this is exactly what I want it to be. And then we go ahead and start building the bike, and we bring that idea and that vision to life. And so when you're working with us, the really cool part is that collaboration process of, what is it that we can do? We'll take photos, send videos to the client, and show them the progress that we're making. That transition from the black to the red, I think you're gonna absolutely love it when you see it in person. And they love getting these updates because we wanna make sure that you feel like you're right here in our basement working on the bike with us. But the best part is, we're taking care of all of the work for you, yet you'll still feel like you're a part of the process. So ultimately, if you want to trust in a brand to not only build something that you're proud of, but also stands by it, well, that's why you would choose Mantini.